How to insert an image in your email body. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail, log into your account. Then in here, click on Compose at the top left corner of your screen, which will open this kind of page. At the bottom, you will find Picture option, which is Insert Photo. Click on it. Then you will find three options: Google Photos. You can simply insert from Google Photos or upload from your device. Or you can also paste URL. And to add picture, you can simply click on one of the picture and press on Insert. After you have done that, the image will be inserted on your email. And this is how to insert an image in your email body. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.